Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to make mixed veg sabji. So this goes really well with puri. You can also have it with chapati. So here are my ingredients and my iron kadai. Iron kadai is really useful. So I'll be taking two medium-sized potatoes which are dice-sized chopped. Also carrot is also dice-sized. I've chopped it in this manner. Actually, this is the easiest way of cutting carrot, I say, and chopping vegetable for this sabji is very easy. So here I've taken one big onion and that also I've cut it into just 4 pieces, that is dice sized. And then I'm also taking one bowl full of cauliflower which is roughly chopped into big pieces like this. Here I have taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. I've just mashed it. In a bowl, we'll take half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, you can also add more, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon garam masala, also 1 teaspoon jeera powder. We'll add this masala at the later part. Also we'll be taking 1 teaspoon jeera. Oh, have I forgotten tomatoes? I'll be taking 2 medium-sized tomatoes which I'll be adding later on. We'll also be taking salt as per required. I've kept my iron kadai on low flame. Before using any iron kadai, it's better to clean it. So I'll put little bit oil and just clean it with a tissue paper. So this is how it goes. You need to absolutely do this before using an iron kadai. And now I'll be adding 4 tablespoon groundnut oil. You can add a little bit more as well. So first I'll add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Let it splatter for some time. And then I'll add my onion. And I'll just give it a stir. You have to do it continuously for some time. And then add ginger garlic paste. Mine is just coarsely made. You can even make it a paste, it's up to you. So once the raw smell is gone, we can add our potatoes. So from this point on, we are doing slow cooking. The most important thing to note in this recipe is the sequence in which we'll be adding the vegetables. So first I've added potato, then I'll be adding carrot, and then later on cauliflower. So this is very important because potatoes take some time to cook and we want it to be cooked really well. So first it is. So in order to cook the potato well, I'll be adding a little bit salt. Give it a good mix. This may seem like really time consuming, but it's worth the try. So just mix it for some time, and once you feel it's cooked, I'll just take a knife and check whether it's cooked. If it's getting pierced very easily, that means it's cooked. So if it just gets stuck to the knife, that means it's not cooked. Here it is taking some time, but it's okay. I'll add my carrot at this point. You can also add beans if you have. I don't have beans, so I have not added it, but you can definitely add after carrot. So here also we are giving it a mix. This video is really a slow video, but keep it in mind, this will bring out really good flavor. This recipe we cannot do it in steel kadai. You need to have iron kadai for this, only then the taste will be good. So here I'm also checking the carrot. It seems to be cooked. So now I'll add cauliflower and just give it a mix. Actually, cauliflower you can add it right after potato as well, if you want it to be little soft. But here I've added it after carrot. So I'm giving it a stir. If you feel it's not cooking that easily, you can also close the kadai with a lid. Keep it for around 2 minutes and then give it a stir. So to cook my cauliflower, I'm adding a little bit salt and giving it a stir. Stirring is really important. So I'm just closing the kadai with a lid and let it cook for some time. So in the meanwhile, I'll chop my tomatoes. Tomatoes also, I'll just be casually cutting it into dices. That is just one tomato into 8 pieces, that's it. You may not even need a chopper for this. I'm checking if the cauliflower is cooked, but it doesn't seem to be that cooked, so I'm just going to cook it for some more time. Close the lid. So here I'm checking my cauliflower. So it's coming out very easily, as you can see. So it is cooked now. Now I can add my tomatoes. Give it a stir. In the low flame itself, we'll be now closing the kadai with a lid. After about 1 minute, you can check if the tomatoes are cooked. So the skin is coming out. That means it's nearly cooked. And now we'll be adding our masala, which we had taken in a bowl. Masala has to be added in the end, because if we add it during our slow cooking, it will really get burnt. So just give it a stir. If you feel like adding more chili powder, you can definitely add. And also check for salt. If the salt is less, we can definitely add at this point. So here I am adding the remaining salt. So here it is. You can garnish it with coriander leaves, which I don't have because it's locked down. You can turn off the flame and collect it in a bowl and serve it with puri or chapati. It will taste really well. Also, do make this recipe and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.